Hello guys, in today's video I will show you what uses your location and how to check it in your Windows 11. For example, is it apps or website or some programs? So the first thing, go to settings and also how you can turn it off. So go to accessibility, privacy and security, and here you have a location. And here you can check where your location is used and when it was. So you can also check the location history and clear it. And that's it. Also turn this feature off. Also you can check the recent activity, and that's it. This is how you can check it and turn it off. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this was useful for you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.